Hello everyone, myself Srivastav, and today we are here to learn about Python. So most of you might be aware of any of the programming language. If it is so, then it is fine. If you do not know about any of the programming language, then also it is fine. So giving a brief introduction about myself Srivastav, and I have around 15 years of work experience in IT domain, and this IT domains include working in various technologies in IT. So, and as I talk about IT, IT world has changed a lot now. It's something that you might require programming in all aspects, either as infrastructure as a code, in the DevOps domain, or any of the domains you talk about. So, what is the major requirement is program. With this class of introduction to Python, what my focus is, I just want to share this session or share this training to all of you with the motive that even if you do not know programming, by going through these lectures, you should be comfortable doing program in Python. And to start this program, I don't expect that you may require any of the programming experience. So with what I said, again reiterating, this program is all designed for learners, and it doesn't require any programming experience. My again focus is doesn't require a programming experience. The requirement is programming mindset. So excuse for my writing, but so programming mindset. What basically programming mindset is, I am fed up of doing some task manually, and wanted to let my computer take care of repetitive tasks. If you have this mindset, of automating something, then probably this course is for you. But it doesn't require a prior experience in programming. So these are some of the references which I would recommend you should go through. First is the ebook by Dr. Chop. This is a very nice, informative and useful book for the beginners. And second part is installation of Python on your desktop, either laptop or desktop. So somewhere you have to install it so that you can do the programming hands-on. So these are some simple steps. These are not complicated. Python installation is a simple one. Requires 2, 3, 4 steps. Go through the documentation, install it. Download this ebook, which is very much required throughout this course. So these two are the prerequisites for this course. Now let's start. Let's start with some of the basics. Why do you require programming? Why do you want to learn and write? Why do you want to write a program? So, as you all know, who is our digital personal assistant nowadays? Digital personal assistants are our laptops and cell phones. What our laptops or cell phones do is basically what a personal assistant used to do. For example, set an alarm. Okay, it will set it. Alexa, set an alarm, it will set it. Okay, Google, play a music for me. Play music for me. It's a part of the personal assistant, digital personal assistant job. Now, ever wonder who is making these personal assistant capable of doing such activities? Those are the programmers. So programmers are someone who trains our digital personal assistant. So this is one of the use cases. There are many use cases of why you want to write a program. There are X number of use cases. You want to automate something, you want to get rid of doing iterative tasks daily, you want to scan multiple things. So there are multiple ways or multiple reasons to write a program. So that's all for this video. This is first session, and in meantime you continue on two tasks. First, download Python, and second is download the ebook. Go through it, go through the first chapter, and we will catch you soon. Thank you.